Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new tool from Anthropic. It's called a Claude Design. So you can just type and a design will be ready. If you want to make a web design, app design, or presentation, just type and your design will be ready. Let me show you how. Okay, first you have to go to the Claude Design, claude.ai/design. Then you can land to this page. Yeah, you can see this page right here on the left side. Create a project name. Let's say web design and let's create. So now I'm going to create whatever you want, you can create. Okay. So let me write, I can write create a landing page for a software agency called Coders Bucket, make it a clean, modern. All right. Let me see what this does. Okay. Quick question about the Coders Bucket landing page. Let me put it here and founder, confident and direct, visual, this one, hero, service offers, let it for me. I have right. Continue. Okay, so it's trying. All right, so it's preparing, verifying. Okay. Wow. Whoa. Very nice. You know, it's pretty cool, right? So now I want to add some color. So let's change the button color like coffee or and make it more colorful and highlighted. So let's see how it's doing. See, wow, it's nice, right? This is a coffee color. I like it. This is coming with a coffee. So it's like you are talking with your designer, but it's not designer. It's a cloud. So whatever instruction you want to give, they will prepare for you. So you know, there's export button here. If you export as a PDF, export as a PowerPoint, Canva, standard HTML. So also zip file, you can export whatever you want, the way it's required for you. So it's pretty simple, right? So it's very, you can edit, you can edit it. All right. So if font background, you can change the background color. Okay. You can change the font size. It was black first. All right, so you can draw as well. Okay, something. So and also the 75%, 50%, the screen size. You can see how it look like. So it's tremendous change. And I just exported PDF and let's see how it works. So copying the coders bucket into reading from HTML. Okay, see in the print. I draw, undo. Okay, so the interesting fact of this cloud design is the design system. So they make it very interesting. If you put your company name and the other information there, and also link your existing code with your GitHub repository and upload your, company logo, and if you have a Figma file, and it will extract and make your own branding, like color plate and everything. So whenever you go to make a design, so it will follow all your instructions, all your existing design brand. So that's very important, and that's make it very useful to use the Claude Design. So these are the from my perspective as a founder, these are very important. Whenever I get a logo from a client, I just can give it here, and I got the all brand color and all design system, and based on that we can just make the design. All right. This is very interesting. I showed the website design for a coders bucket, but you can make a mobile design, mobile app design, and other presentation and everything. So it's very cool thing from my perspective. So this is a cloud design. I think this is a very useful, especially if you are a developer or agency owner. Before, I needed to hire a designer to show to client something design, but now I can do it myself in 2 minutes. That save a lot of time and money. And so, one thing, it uses your Claude plan credit first. So be careful. You need a paid plan to use this. A free plan it not work. You can try at claude.ai/design. If this video help you, please like it and subscribe. I'll share new AI tools every week. See you next week. Bye.